What's the meaning of crematory? Crematory. Crematory.
Crematory. Crematory. A crematory is a facility that is used to cremate, or burn, the bodies of deceased individuals down to their most basic elements. The result of this process is the production of cremated remains, commonly referred to as ashes, which can be returned to the family of the deceased for final disposition. The process typically involves placing the body in a cremation chamber, which is then heated to very high temperatures using natural gas or propane, resulting in the complete combustion of the body. The remaining bones and teeth are then processed into a fine powder and placed in an urn or other container for safekeeping or scattering.